Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that can help you to speak English for having a facial at a beauty parlor. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. Could you explain the steps involved in the facial? What kind of facial do you recommend for my skin type? Will this facial help reduce my fine lines and wrinkles? How often should I come in for a facial? Do you use any products that are organic or natural? Can you tell me more about the ingredients in the products you are using? Is this facial suitable for sensitive skin? Can I still wear makeup after the facial? How long will the results of this facial last? Are there any precautions I should take after the facial? Could you please be gentle around my eye area? Can you tell me more about the massage technique you are using? Is there anything I should avoid doing before the facial? Can you recommend any products for my skin concerns? Is it normal to feel a tingling sensation during the facial? Can I book another appointment now? Could you explain how to use the home care products you recommended? Do you offer any packages for regular facials? How long will the facial take? Can you explain the benefits of using a serum? Do you offer any other services besides facials? Can you recommend any lifestyle changes to improve my skin health? Will this facial help clear up my acne? Can you tell me more about the type of exfoliation you will be doing? How often do you recommend I get a facial? Can you explain how to properly cleanse my skin at home? Is it normal to have redness after the facial? Can you recommend any dietary changes to improve my skin? Can you explain the benefits of a facial massage? Is there anything I should avoid doing after the facial? Can you explain the benefits of a facial mask? How often should I exfoliate my skin at home? Can you explain the benefits of a toner? Can you recommend any products to reduce dark circles around my eyes? Can you explain the benefits of a facial steam? Can I still use my regular skincare products after the facial? Can you tell me more about the type of facial massage you will be doing? Can you recommend any products to reduce the appearance of pores? Can you explain how to properly moisturize my skin at home? How long will the results of the facial take to show? Can you recommend any products to reduce inflammation in my skin? Can you explain the benefits of a jade roller? Can you tell me more about the type of mask you will be using? Can you recommend any products to improve the texture of my skin? Can you explain the benefits of using a facial oil? Can you tell me more about the type of products you will be using on my skin? Can you recommend any products to improve the appearance of my skin tone? Can you explain the benefits of a facial mist? Can you tell me more about the type of moisturizer you will be using? Can you recommend any products to improve my skin's elasticity? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.